In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow, how to add page load animation, intro animation tutorial. Start by opening the Webflow designer and navigating to the page where you want your intro to appear. Make sure you're in the correct page context in the Pages panel so your animation runs exactly where you expect. Keep the preview toggle handy to test your progress, and remember you'll need to publish to see the final result outside the designer. Next, click the element you want to animate on page load. This could be a logo, a headline, a hero section, or a full screen wrapper you're using as an intro. Selecting the right element is key because the animation you create will target whatever you've highlighted. If your intro is made of multiple items, consider targeting a wrapper element so everything animates together. Also, confirm that the element is visible in the canvas and not set to display none so you can preview the effect properly. Now open the Interactions panel, the lightning bolt icon on the right. This is where you control both element-based and page-based animations. With your element still selected, look for the section that handles triggers. We'll be using a page level trigger, which means the animation starts based on the page's life cycle rather than a click or hover. Add a page trigger. In the Interactions panel, choose the option to add a new trigger for the page. This tells Webflow to listen for the page load event, and then play your animation, ensuring it runs the moment your site is ready for visitors. Choose page load, then start an animation and customize it. Under page load, decide whether the animation should run while the page is loading or after it finishes loading. Most intros look smoother when triggered after the page has finished loading. Click Start an animation and create a new timed animation. Add the properties you want. For a clean reveal, set an initial state like opacity at 0 and position slightly offset, then animate to full opacity and the final position. Adjust durations and delays to control pacing, and pick easing curves like ease out for a polished finish. Use the preview in the Interactions panel to test your timing. If something feels abrupt, extend the duration slightly or add a brief delay before the first keyframe. When it looks right, exit preview, save, and publish. Finally, open the live site to confirm the animation runs on first load and quickly check it on different devices to ensure everything feels smooth and intentional.